So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add joystick in Pokemon Go. So firstly you have to uninstall the Pokemon Go that's been installed right now from the Play Store. So I'm just going to uninstall it. So what you're going to do now is launch your browser and then go to this site called PGSharp.com, and you'll get two versions here, free version and standard edition. We can just get the free version by tapping on this download button here. I have already downloaded this file, so I'm just going to access it from the downloads folder. Go to downloads and I can just tap it to install. Let this install normally and open. Allow all the permissions that the app wants for. Follow the usual login procedure by putting the bot date. On this screen, just tap on returning player so that we can load the progress back. You can use any of your existing accounts to log in. Now you can see Pokemon Go has launched and I have got one joystick here at the top left side. I can just drag this joystick just like this. You can see this is the joystick and I can just place it on the bottom right side so that it will be easier for me to use it. Yes, it works. You can see the player moves automatically when I use the joystick. So if you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.